Find a space in nature, or 2 or 3, that you can feel safe in, that you can go pray in, that you can escape in, even just for a moment or 2. Find a space in nature that you can feel safe in. No, but seriously, every time of year, right? We're so blessed. Like, being in Maine, it's been in the 70s for a few days. I'm a little chillier today, but oh, we're lucky babies. I wonder what the winter's gonna bring. But either way, I have to go outside no matter what. Had a little cold the past couple days, and I got the first day of my period today, sooner than expected, and it just feels like beautiful renewal energy. And I was just inside chilling like a villain, but getting antsy, and I didn't want to go to the gym because I don't think it's always the best thing to do the first day of your period, and this felt like the best thing to do, even just for a moment or 2. Even just for a moment or 2. I am a blessing to behold. I endure the cold. You guys, I've had these shoes for like 8 years. I don't even know what brand they are, actually. I should look that up. Good old Hackin' shoes. They're honestly the most comfy things ever too, dude.